Hi everyone, I'm Steven, and today I'm using cardboard to make the headpiece Wanda Maximoff wore in the Halloween episode of WandaVision. If you're curious, keep watching, subscribe, like this video, and let's get to it! I started out with some computer paper where I sketched and cut out the design, cut out another one, and taped them together in the center. I used this template to trace onto corrugated cardboard, making sure the corrugation lines were vertical. I used a sharp utility knife to cut that out, and then I folded it in half to get a crease in the middle. I then used my hands to bend along the corrugation lines to allow the headpiece to curve, but also flare out the top points of the headpiece. If you don't flare these pieces out, it'll look weird and kind of like you're wearing a cylinder on top of your head. And I'm not worried about the cardboard looking bent right now because I covered it all with a flimsy poster board that I got from the dollar store. This got hot glued onto the stiffer corrugated cardboard, and it covers up all the bent parts and makes it look smooth. So then I brought the knife back out and I carefully cut off all of the excess. Once that was done, everything got painted in a few coats of red craft paint, and I used an elastic headband that I cut in half and hot glued it onto the back of the headpiece so it could be worn. And FYI, I used these headbands because elastic was sold out at the dollar store. Anyway, hang tight and you'll see the finished product in a couple seconds. So there you have it, Wanda's comic accurate headpiece from WandaVision, the Halloween episode, completely made from cardboard, tape, and glue. I love how it turned out, and it's such a simple prop to make, and it's actually pretty fun to wear around the house while making goofy 80s style sitcom reaction faces to everything. Oh, and I totally want to thank my friend Kim for volunteering to wear it. She looks awesome in it and said it was actually pretty comfortable. So thanks, Kim. Anyway, if you guys liked this prop, I'd really appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps out a lot. And thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.